Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make KFC style Zinger burgers. It's a very simple and very easy recipe. You will totally enjoy it and it's very simple to make. Let's get started. I have around 500 grams of boneless chicken. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pat this with the help of a meat mallet. Now into this chicken I'm going to add around 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons vinegar, white vinegar, and now I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Mix this well and soak this for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the flour coating. 2 cups all-purpose flour, one teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon oregano, a pinch soda, baking soda. Let's mix this well. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix this. So my flour coating is also ready. So this is my flour coating, this is the chicken, and in this bowl I've taken some water. So it's almost half an hour now. Now let's do the coating. I'm going to take the chicken first and I'm going to dip this into the flour. And next I'm going to put this into the water, remove it back and put it in the flour coating again. And remove this back into a plate. Now let's do it with the hand once again. I'm going to remove the chicken piece, put this into the flour, into the water, dip it, remove it and coat it again with the flour. Into the plate. So the chicken has been coated, it's ready to be fried now. I've already kept my pan on high heat to deep fry them. So let's deep fry it now. So into a pan I've already added the oil and my oil has already heated but not very hot. Now I'm going to keep it on medium-low flame and I'm going to fry them. I'm going to add the chicken. On medium low flame, I'm going to fry each side for 4 to 5 minutes. As these are boneless pieces, they will not take much time. So it's almost 3 minutes. Now let's flip them. We'll fry them until they turn a bit amber in color, little darker than the gold. So the chicken is ready. Now let's remove the chicken. So this is the chicken and it's ready. Now let's make our burgers. So let's make a burger sauce. We need around half cup of mayo, two teaspoons mustard sauce, two tablespoons hot sauce, and 2 tablespoons ketchup, tomato ketchup, and half cup finely chopped lettuce. This is optional, but if you add this, it adds to the flavor. Now let's mix this well. So our burger sauce is ready. If you don't have mustard sauce, you can just skip that. It's optional, but adding that will add to the flavor. Now let's make the burger. I have 2 burger buns. I'm going to take this and I'm going to cut this from center into 2 halves. To the down part, I'm going to add mayo, and now I'm going to keep a lettuce, and on top of this I'm going to keep the chicken fillets. And now I'm going to keep a cheese slice on top of this, another cheese slice on top of this, and now I'm going to add the burger sauce. Around 2 tablespoons. So this is done. I'm going to close this. So my burgers are ready. So these are my KFC style Zinger burgers. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family too. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes.